Color is what makes things look different. It is what we see as red, blue, green, and more. The color of the sky is blue. She likes the color red. My door has the color green. This apple's color is bright red. The shirt has a pretty color. You painted the wool a new color. The color of the car is yellow. She chose the color pink for her dress. The color of the sun is yellow. The color of the leaves is brown. Cook means to make food hot and ready to eat. I like to cook pasta. They cook rice every night. We cook soup in a pot. He learned to cook pizza. Mom will cook dinner now. Ad likes to cook fish. Kids watch how to cook. Park. A park is an outdoor place for fun and relaxation. The park has many trees. Children play in the park. Dogs run in the park. We sit on a bench in the park. I walk my dog in the park. People have picnics in the park. Kids ride bikes in the park. The park has a small pond. Friends meet at the park. Cow. A cow is a big farm animal. It gives us milk. The cow is in the field. I see a cow near the barn. The cow eats green grass. The cow has big horns. The cow drinks water daily. The cow wears a bell. The cow stands in mud. The cow sees the farmer. Eat means to have food in your mouth, chew, and swallow. I eat breakfast every morning. She eats lunch at noon. They eat dinner together. We eat fruit for snack. He eats bread with butter. We eat food from the plate. They eat cake at parties. She eats ice cream today. We eat sandwiches for lunch. Drink. Drink means to take liquid into your mouth. I drink water every day. She drinks juice in the morning. They drink milk at breakfast. We drink tea in the evening. He drinks soda with lunch. Kids drink from cups. Equal drink at parties. They drink by the fire. Eye helps you see. It is in your face. It lets you look at things. She has a glue eye. I see with my eye. The eye is dark inside. Eyes help us see things. Baby's eye is very small. She closed her eyes to rest. His eye found the toy. The eye sees the bright sun. Gym. A gym is a place to exercise. People go there to stay healthy. It has equipment for workout. The gym has many weights. She visits the gym every morning. We practice at the gym. He works out at the gym now. I see many people at the gym. She wears gym clothes. He uses gym equipment daily. Hat. A hat is something you put on your head. It keeps your head warm or shades your eyes. People wear hats every day or on special days. The hat is blue. He bought a new hat. My hat is funny. I see a hat on the table. He found a hat in the park. The hat is on her head. They sell hats at the store. The hat hides his hair. Pig. A pig is a farm animal. It has a round body and snout. Pigs like to eat and play. The pig runs in the mud. I see a pig at the farm. A pig sleeps in the pen. The pig snorts loudly. The pig rolls in the dirt. The pig finds food outside. Dark is when there is no light. Night is dark and quiet. I see the dark sky. Dark clouds can bring rain. Sleep happens in the dark. Kids hide in dark rooms. A dark alley looks scary. Dark colors are black or navy. He likes dark chocolate. A diet is what you eat. I start a diet today. Her diet is healthy food. The diet helps her stay fit. They follow a new diet plan. The diet includes fruits daily. His diet has many vegetables. Their diet is low in sugar. Lion. A lion is a big, strong animal. It has a mane. Lions are brave and live in groups. The lion is sleeping now. The lion has a big mane. Lions live in the wild. A lion roars loudly. The lion looks at the zebra. A lion's roar is loud. The lion, with its mane, walks proudly. Pool. A pool is a water place to swim. Kids love the pool outside. She jumps into the pool now. We play in the pool soon. He cleans the pool every day. The dog jumps in the pool. They relax by the poolside. The pool has clear water. Dollar. Dollar is money. People use it to buy things. I dropped $1 today. He bought candy with $1. She saved $1 for later. She found $1 outside. Family. Family is people you love and are related to. My family is happy. The family eats dinner. Her family is here. Our family is big. The family has a dog. His family goes places. My family cooks food. Guitar. A guitar makes music. You strum it. It has strings and a body. People play it for fun. It is very popular. She plays her guitar daily. He bought a new guitar. They learned the guitar early. The guitar is on the table. She carries her guitar today. The guitar hangs on the wall. He repairs his guitar. Jacket. A jacket is clothes for your top. It keeps you warm. People wear jackets outside. I wear a jacket today. The jacket is blue. She bought a new jacket. His jacket is hanging. My jacket keeps warm. The jacket has a pocket. She puts on her jacket. The jacket is very soft. Elise, police are helpers who keep us safe. The police catch bad people. Police help in emergencies. Police wear blue uniforms. Police keep the city safe. Police walk on the street. Police stop the traffic. Police arrive quickly. A sandwich is bread with something inside. You eat it with your hands. She likes a cheese sandwich. He bought a ham sandwich. We made a peanut butter sandwich. They shared a chicken sandwich. I packed a sandwich for lunch. The sandwich has lettuce inside. Her sandwich is on the plate. A sandwich is on the table. The sandwich is very tasty.